In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create unique reminders in Todoist. Whether you're a long-time user or just getting started with Todoist, being able to manage your reminders effectively ensures you never miss a task or deadline. Let's dive right in so you can maximize what Todoist has to offer. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to apptodoist.com/login. This will take you directly to the login page for Todoist. If you haven't used Todoist before, this step will be new to you, but it's as simple as navigating to any other website. Once you're on the login page, you'll need to log into your account. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you don't have an account already, there's an option to sign up, which only takes a couple of minutes. Now go ahead and type in your email. Be sure you type it correctly to avoid any login errors. After entering your email, it's time to move on to your password. Remember, your password is case sensitive, so make sure your caps lock is off and everything is entered just as you set it up originally. For those who prefer a quicker login method, Todoist allows you to sign in using other accounts. You can log in with Google, Facebook, or even Apple. This approach can save you some time and can be more convenient if you're always signed into these services on your computer. Now that you're logged in, let's get into setting up those unique reminders. Go to the task creation window. This is where you'll organize your tasks, and it's also where you'll set up your reminders. Look for the reminders section. Here you can specify the date and time you wish to be reminded of a task. You also have the option to set reminders on a recurring basis, which is handy for tasks you need to do regularly, like a weekly meeting or monthly reports. Do bear in mind though that if you're using the free version of Todoist, the option to set reminders is not available. It's an advanced feature that requires an upgrade. Upgrading your account unlocks a host of other useful features too, so it might be worth considering if you're looking to get the most out of your task management. And that's it, you've successfully navigated the process of creating unique reminders in Todoist. Whether you use the free version or decide to upgrade, the key is experimenting with the features and finding what works best for you. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this makes managing your tasks a little easier. Keep organized and happy planning.